How you doing, folks? Scott with Dallas Paint Correction. Guys, I'm getting old. I've been talking for 10, 15 minutes and I didn't even push record on the camera. That's twice I've done that. I think I got to talk to my doctor. Something's going on with my brain. Yeah, I know you guys are probably laughing. Here's the deal. I want to talk about what is the best car soap that all of us can find locally. I'll assume probably 80% of us can find this stuff locally, or you might have to take a little bit of a drive. You don't have to order it online. It's easy to get your hands on. It's at a great price point. It provides tons of lubrication. It's got nice cleaning for a pH neutral soap, and it can foam all day long with your favorite foam cannon. What are you talking about, Scott? Where can I find it? Because I'm tired of spending $70, $80, $90, $100 for a gallon of car soap from these YouTubers telling me you got to buy it because it's got a lot of foam and you don't need to use a lot in the foam cannon. I get it, folks. Right here. This is Meguiar's Professional Watermelon Blast Hyper Wash. You know where you can find this stuff? This is by the gallon. You can find it at Harbor Freight for $34.99. Folks, that's 27 cents an ounce. I've been saying this a lot. It's almost like they're giving it away. I'm going to do something here. I've got this foam cannon that, when I decided to get back on YouTube, excuse me, I said, man, every once in a while I'm going to want to do a review on soap. And I'm not like one of the cool kids. Where can I find a really good foam cannon? Well, I found this foam cannon here online from Apex Foam Cannon by that detail shop. This thing's incredible. Again, I'm not like the cool kids. I think this thing is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. And this one here, to be completely transparent, it's got the orifice that's like 1.1. So if you're using an electric power washer that's got low flow, you're gonna get some nice foam. But anyway, I put 1 ounce of Meguiar's Hyper Wash that I bought for $34.99 a gallon. So that's 27 cents in this foam cannon. Then I filled up the rest with water. Let's see how it foams. The other thing I want to talk about, guys, is about a week ago, I treated this side of the car with Rust-Oleum Wipe New Ceramic Blast. That spray-on sealant, you power rinse it off and it leaves a hydrophobic barrier. I bought it at O'Reilly's. You attach it to a garden hose. I took it apart and just put it in the foam sprayer, diluted it. We're going to see how that responds. The other thing I want to talk about is I foamed this up. Folks, you guys fall for a lot of crap on YouTube. There's influencers out there that will tell you, hey, when you use my soap I created, it's got a dual surfactant. You'll see that dual surfactant mode when you go to rinse off the foam. You'll see a bulk of the foam go off, and there'll be like this little layer that's still hanging on. Folks, I've been working on a chemistry degree with Texas A&M for a little bit over a year. I create these products with the help of a chemical engineer at Dow Chemicals. I create car soaps for some of my clients. Folks, the next time one of those guys tell you their soap is a dual surfactant soap, in order to create a pH neutral, nice foaming, nice lubricating soap, you're going to be using about 6 or 7 surfactants within a pH neutral car soap. If they're telling you they've only got 2 surfactants in it, ask them which ones. I bet you they act like an idiot and don't know what to say to you. But here you go. If you like that stuff, that dual surfactant crap, and you fall for that type of marketing, you're going to get it with this soap. But let's foam up the car. This is like shaving cream. I almost feel like 1 ounce in this foam cannon is way too much. How much foam you want, man? I almost think that's too much. I probably could have went to half an ounce in that foam can and been fine. Now I'm going to rinse it off, and when I rinse it off, I'm going to bring you in closer. I'll show you this crap they try to tell you, dual surfactant stuff. I mean, come on, man. Stop ripping people off. Stop using terms that don't exist. You know what you hear about dual surfactants is in cosmetic stuff. Not in car soaps. Not in car soaps that are pH neutral, that require foam, lubrication, cleaning properties. You're going to be using at least 6 or 7 different surfactants in a soap to be able to do that. There's not just 2 surfactants in this stuff, folks. But here we go. I'm going to rinse this off. And I'll show you what these popcorn heads want you to see. And they're trying to tell you their soap does it because they actually try to put that in the soap, this dual surfactant crap. It's not, man. It's like, you see the soap here, see the suds, and then you got this little hazy stuff right here. They'll say that's dual surfactant. Stop it. Stop listening to these people. It's so annoying, man. Really, really frustrating. But anyway, let me get this thing back on here, and we'll rinse off that car, and then we'll check out the Rust-Oleum stuff. How well is it doing? There's your dual surfactant mode, big heavy time. Oh my God, it's amazing. My soap is the only one that does it. I tell you what, that Rust-Oleum stuff, the ceramic blast, I bought it at O'Reilly's for $16.99 for like 24 ounces of product, performing just as well, if not better, than Geon Wet Coat. We'll get close and we'll hit it with water. Unbelievable hydrophobic properties from that stuff. It's great. I love that we all can get it. You can have a Geon Wet Coat experience, even better because you can dilute it, but you can get it locally. And including the Meguiar's Hyper Wash, folks, $34.99, 27 cents an ounce. It's not breaking the bank. It's going to give you all the foam you want. 1 ounce in the foam cannon was too much. I probably could drop it to half an ounce and that foam cannon be just fine. Wanted to share that with you. Put more money in your pocket. Buy locally, don't pay for shipping, don't do all that crazy stuff. It's not required. We've got some great products that are right under our noses. Love you so much.